The internet has evolved significantly since its inception. From the static pages of Web 1 to the interactive platforms of Web 2, we've witnessed tremendous change. Now we stand at the cusp of another revolution, Web 3. Web 3 represents a fundamental shift in how we interact and engage online. Imagine a decentralized internet where users have more control over their data and online experiences. This is the promise of Web 3. It leverages blockchain technology, cryptography, and decentralized networks to create a more equitable, secure, and transparent digital landscape. Web 3 empowers users by giving them ownership of their digital assets. This includes everything from personal data to creative works. It also fosters new ways to interact and transact online, free from the control of centralized entities. In the following sections, we will delve into the core components of Web 3, exploring its potential impact across various industries and aspects of our digital lives. From the underlying technology to real-world applications, we'll uncover the transformative power of Web 3. Decentralization is the core principle of Web 3. It represents a departure from the centralized model of Web 2, where a handful of companies control vast amounts of data and online interactions. In a decentralized internet, power and control are distributed among users, not concentrated in the hands of a few. This shift has significant implications for user autonomy and data ownership. Currently, our online activities, data, and digital footprints are largely controlled by tech giants. Web 3 aims to change this by giving users more control over their digital lives. With Web 3, users have greater ownership and control over their data. They can choose how their information is used and shared. This reduces the risk of data breaches and misuse of personal information. Decentralization also fosters a more open and equitable internet. By removing gatekeepers and intermediaries, Web 3 allows for greater participation and innovation from individuals and smaller players. Blockchain technology forms the bedrock of Web 3. It provides the secure, transparent, and tamper-proof infrastructure necessary for a decentralized internet. Think of a blockchain as a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized and distributed nature makes blockchain highly secure. Each transaction is cryptographically secured and linked to the previous one, creating an immutable record. This makes it nearly impossible to alter or tamper with data on the blockchain. Transparency is another key feature. All transactions on the blockchain are publicly viewable, fostering accountability and trust. This transparency reduces the need for intermediaries and centralized authorities. Blockchain technology is still evolving, but its potential to underpin a more equitable, secure, and transparent internet is clear. As we move further into the Web 3 era, blockchain's role will only become more significant. Section 4: NFTs, revolutionizing digital ownership. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have emerged as a groundbreaking application of blockchain technology within the Web 3 ecosystem. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item or piece of content. Unlike traditional digital files, which can be easily copied, each NFT is one of a kind and verifiable on the blockchain. This uniqueness and scarcity have made NFTs particularly popular in the art and collectibles world. However, the implications of NFTs extend far beyond digital art. They have the potential to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with digital ownership across various industries. NFTs can represent ownership of virtual real estate in metaverses, in-game items, digital identities, and even physical assets like property deeds. This opens up exciting possibilities for creators, collectors, and consumers alike. Section 5: Smart contracts, automating trust and transparency. Smart contracts are another transformative element of Web 3, enabling automation, trust, and transparency in digital agreements. Imagine self-executing contracts that automatically enforce the terms agreed upon by all parties involved. That's the essence of a smart contract. These contracts are written in code and stored on the blockchain, Once specific conditions are met, the contract automatically executes, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing the risk of disputes. Smart contracts have the potential to streamline a wide range of processes, from supply chain management and financial transactions to voting systems and digital rights management. For example, in supply chain management, smart contracts can track the movement of goods, automate payments, and ensure transparency and accountability at every stage. This reduces fraud, streamlines operations, and fosters greater trust between parties.